Alrighty, first cook on the new smoker. Got a Tomahawk steak in there. It's been in there for an hour and 5 minutes so far. And we're getting up to temp slowly. So this is the internal temp of the smoker. And 50 degrees currently in the steak. That's got to get to about 57 degrees, which will be a medium rare. Then I'm going to take it out of the main box and put it in the firebox on the grill to give it a nice sear. Alrighty, we've just hit 57 degrees and the little alarm went off. So now it's time to get the grill in the firebox and get that sear going. Alright, still got some lovely coals going there. Just gonna spread them out a little bit. Get the grills on. There we go. Let's have a look at our steak. Alright, pull our probe out. Alright, let's get it on the grill. Gave it a little flip, so gave it about a minute on each side. Alright, I think that's probably good enough sear. We'll get that off. It's looking pretty darn good. Alright, I'm going to take that bad boy inside and rest for about 10 minutes while I do some chips in the air fryer. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes rest. Chips have got about another 5 minutes to go. Let's cut into this and have a look. Definitely a bit more medium than medium rare, but that's fine by me. Look, nicely cooked all the way through. Let's have a taste. All right, first taste from the smoker. Not bad, not bad. It's not as tender as I thought it might be. That could be the cut of the steak though. Still pretty nice. Really nice flavour. The salt, pepper, garlic rub that I used, definitely taste that. It's coming through nicely. Yeah. All right, time to cut all this up. Chips are almost done, so I'll plate it all up in a sec. And then we have the finished product. does have a bit of pink once you get further into the steak. So it's pretty nice. I like it like that. Don't like it too bloody. Chips from the air fryer with a bit of Kewpie mayo and some American mustard. Dinner time.